What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a bicycle chain tool to remove or break a chain. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to spin our bike chain around and we're going to look for a master link. Just spin it all the way around and it'll be a link that looks different from all the rest. I'll go ahead and put a couple pictures of the two most common master links up on the screen right now. Okay, now if yours had the one with the little clip on it, all you have to do is take a flathead screwdriver and on the face of the chain you're just going to press that link towards the closed end of the C-clip backwards and unclip it, and then the whole chain will come apart. If you have the other type of link, what you can do is, I just got a bent piece of copper wire here and we'll link it into the chain and we'll pull the chain and link the other side. That way we have some loose chain to work with. Now say that master link was here. All you're going to need to do is get a little piece of string, a shoelace. All you'll do is you'll feed that string up through the links on each side of that link. And then what you do is you cross the string like that. And then we're going to pull outward like this. And that's going to pull the links together and it's going to break that master link inward and unlock it. And then to reconnect that kind of link, you're just going to need two of these strings and you'll put one on each side of the link and you'll pull apart and that'll lock that link in. But this chain we're working with today, there's no master link. So how are we going to do that? We're going to need a chain breaking tool. If you guys don't have one of these, I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description for one for you guys. But it's super easy. Okay, so we'll just take our chain breaking tool, and as you can see right here, there's a little pin that's going to drive in. We're going to line that pin up with one of these pins right here on the links. Doesn't matter which one. The chain's just going to line up in one of these grooves. Then we'll just hand drive that and line that pin up. Then you're just going to take an Allen head on this one. Here's a Allen on a ratchet I have. And we're just going to slowly ratchet this. And what it's going to do is start driving that pin. Just going to keep driving that pin through. But we don't want to drive it all the way through. We just want to drive it enough to where it stays that we can get the link apart. When you start getting close, back it off. See if we can't get the link undone yet. Not quite yet. There we go. Felt it. You can kind of feel it when it finally gets through enough. And there we go. See, we pushed that pin almost all the way through. That way if you just want to clean your chain and reuse it, you can just put the link back and then use that tool to push that link back in. Or what I do recommend is just getting one of those master links I showed you. That just makes taking on and off the chain a lot easier for service or for replacement. Put our chain back on. We're going to feed it through the front derailleur and through the back. Goes over the top, first gear in the back. Now since this one doesn't have a master pin, we'll just reconnect it using our chain breaker tool. We'll just tighten it down. We'll just push that pin back in. We're just going to drive it back in until it's just a little proud of the surface. Just like the other links. And we can remove our wire that's holding the chain together. Okay, now once we have the chain back on, it's a good idea to go ahead and lube up your chain. You just lube the inside of the chain. You don't have to worry about lubing the outside. Alright guys, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.